Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Thank you so much for tuning in. What we're gonna do is we are going to teach you step by step how to swap ETH for some Copi. So we're going to be picking up Cornucopia's Copi tokens, and this video is geared towards those of you that own Ethereum or Ethereum tokens on the Ethereum chain, and we're going to show you how to pick up some Copi. So this is relatively new. I'm pretty sure it came out first, Cornucopia's token on the BNB chain. So we did a video recently on that as well. I have an old one, but I recommend to check out the latest version. And of course, if you have Cardano or you want to pick some up on Cardano's chain, we did a video already that should be out as well. So for those of you that get something out of this video and or want to see more, smash a like button, and yeah, definitely subscribe. Ask questions, whatever you guys want us to cover here on the channel, let me know. So we're going to dive right in. By the way, we're not going to be picking up, I'm not going to be making a swap, but I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it, because right now the gas fees are, it's like 20 bucks just to make a swap. So we're definitely going to wait a little bit on that. So what we're looking at right now is the Copi price. So we're going to hit it with the refresh. By the way, it is Tuesday, November 28th, almost November 29th. So to give you an idea, today Copi has gone up 15%, and it's absolutely crushing it on the 1 week. So the market cap's probably going to get to 40 mil, which is, a fraction of where I think it will be in the future. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Copi's strong. And what I want you to all do is remember that, I'm not telling you to pick up this token. I'm just showing you how to pick it up. So again, I'm not responsible for what you invest into. Invest at your own risk. And on top of that, I want you to research cornucopias, listen to the Copi cafes, check out, what they have to offer, create a player account, do that type of thing as well. So the first step is to buy some Ethereum. So what you're going to do is set up a Metamask. If you haven't done so already, go on the channel. So that's this channel, Crypto Moose. Type in Metamask. Okay, if you do that, I have a video. I did this with my sister Chanel, and I taught Chanel how to set up a MetaMask wallet. If Chanel can do it, you can do it. Okay, so that's the idea of the video. She's actually getting into crypto. She's crushing it. So I'm trying to get the family a little more involved in crypto as well. So if you guys can do that, teach other people about crypto, how to set up a non-custodial wallet. So what you're going to do is go to metamask.io, set up a Chrome extension wallet. So in the top right, you can see that I've got some tokens here. I got some Hex. I've got some Copi. We're going to show you how to add that. So I'm going to hide it for now, and we'll redo that for you. So I recommend having on your computer, going to CoinMarketCap, go to the top right, type Copi, and check out the contracts as well. So make sure when you're adding the token, you can do that. So once you add MetaMask, okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do this right now. So add MetaMask and go here under Ethereum contract, hit add to MetaMask. So use MetaMask and you can import the proper token address. So now when you go to your wallet, you're going to see Copi right here. So you want to make sure that if you go to token details, it ends in D9D. Okay, so D9D, that's a friendly reminder. So if you don't know how to import your token address, I just did it for you, okay? So set up a MetaMask, buy some ETH or, Matic or USDC on the ETH blockchain. And of course, you want to make sure you have enough ETH to cover your fees. So your gas fees is a little bit of Ethereum in which you spend in order to cover transaction costs. So it costs a little bit of ETH when you're minting an NFT, when you're buying or swapping tokens. Definitely keep in mind that you need that, especially tonight or when everything gets congested, you need ETH. So you can think about it similar to driving to a location. Let's say you are driving to the library in your car, you need gas. You need to spend a little bit of gas, okay? So that's why ETH is always going to go up in value as well. So with that being said, number one, buy ETH or, USDC. Set up your Metamask, which we kind of show you how to do. If not, watch a video. And then next, you're going to go to Uniswap. You're going to go to uniswap.org, launch the app, okay? So here we're going to use Metamask. So we have a little drop down. We are using Metamask, okay? Sorry, the screen's bright. I don't know how to switch it right now. So if we go to our wallet, we can see we're already connected. So if you're not connected, all you're going to do, let's disconnect from here. I think that's disconnect. There we go. So you're going to go to the top right, connect your wallet, select Metamask. There we go. So now this wallet is connected. And you want to be under the Ethereum mainnet. Okay. So there you go. And if you haven't done it, again, go to Cornucopias, click this logo, add that token. Okay. So definitely do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Uniswap. Okay. We're going to zoom in for you. And next, what you're going to do is select Copi. So type in Copi. So here you're going to see Copi, and make sure it's the right one, right? So there's some scams out there. It's going to have the logo, okay? Just so you know. So next, select a token that you'd like to swap for. So if we're doing an ETH, right, you would put, for example, 1 ETH, and this would be your fee. You'd pay $11 in gas fees. I think it's somewhat egregious. And you would just swap. So for example, I have more Matic. So if you have some 1inch, if you have Aave, if you have, you're going through the list and you have a lot of AMP, whatever it is, select that token and do the swap with it. So let's say, for example, I wanted to do Matic. So we'll zoom in here for you. So I'm going to select Matic. I'm going to do max, or perhaps I'll do, 100 Matic, and it would cost me $16. So the gas fees are ridiculous. It's actually unbelievable that Ethereum, after so long, the gas fees are so high. Like, that's why I'm using Solana. So I'm not going to actually make the swap because I'm not going to pay 20% in gas fees. Plus, they're taking a fee as well. So that's a whole other story. Even if I do $750 worth, you want me to pay $16? I believe if I'm swapping for USDC, it's not going to be very much. Yeah, it's like $320, but that's how you do it. Okay. So again, go in here, type Copi, and yeah, do the swap. So hit swap, and you're going to have to pay the fee. So make sure you have enough Ethereum to cover your fees. You're going to need at least 20, 30, $50 at this point. Okay. That's why we're seeing other chains just do incredibly well. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. Again, make sure you have a surplus of ETH, and that's how you pick it up. So if you're spending, let's say you're getting to $1,000-ish. Let's see, how much would we need? So if you had $1,000 worth, you would get 20,000 Copi. So it's not bad, not bad. Okay. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to learn a little bit more, subscribe, check out the videos. We've got tons of videos. I just did a Copi update. So if you want to learn about, my thoughts on Copi, I've been doing Copi videos for a while. So in fact, if you type in Copi, I think the first one I did, 11 months ago. I was early. This is before Neo Tokyo. I've spotted Copi for about a year now. So I've been early on Copi. So definitely check that out. We also have a link tree. So we have an NFT drop as well. So if you are interested in a Cardano NFT drop on December 21st, 5 p.m. UTC, we're doing the Loose Moose drop. It's going to help you in terms of being closer to this community. You will get access to airdrops specifically from me. So when I do partnerships or interviews, I'm going to be able to airdrop tokens to subscribers that own the Loose Moose NFT. Also, for giveaways, physical giveaways, I'm going to prioritize the Loose Moose holders. And there are also only 5 Golden Moose NFTs. It's this one with the chain. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. We do also have up to 25% off hardware wallets. So as you can see right here, I'm always using my Trezor. I do have the old Trezor. I do have a Ledger, and I've been liking my Tangem. So if you want to protect your assets, definitely check out those links. Save yourself 25% off, right? Up to 25% off. We also have a free ADA course. We've got some free masterclasses. Sorry, we have paid masterclasses as well. And check out the Discord. Get into the free stuff as well. So with that being said, I hope that video helps. I'm looking forward to helping as many people as I can get involved in Copi. I believe in the project. Again, invest at your own risk. Not telling you to pick up Copi. Just if you are interested, those are the steps you take to pick up some Copi. See you in the next one.